Welcome to today's 5-minute heart meditation. This is a meditation that you can use to counter emotional or physical distress and to release any toxic emotions you may be experiencing. You can practice this meditation almost anywhere, at home, at work, in the bathroom, at parties, or even on a park bench. Let's begin. Gently closing your eyes or casting them downward toward the floor if that's more comfortable for you. And take a few deep breaths to relax. Just expanding your in-breath and lengthening your out-breath. Taking deep breaths from your belly and not your chest. Taking deep breaths from our chest can often create more anxiety. So being sure that you're taking what are called diaphragmatic breaths. Breathing in from your belly and then exhaling from your belly. Now take your palm and place it over your heart, in the center of your chest. Focus on a beautiful image of something you love, like a sunset, a rose, the ocean, a child's face, or other loved one. Feel the love building in your heart and throughout your entire body. Let this loving feeling soothe you. Toxic energy leaves your body when you become purified with love. For just 2 to 5 minutes each day, you can meditate on loving kindness in your heart and feel that energy clear away stress. You can send this loving kindness to specific areas of your body as well. My most vulnerable point is my gut. When I feel as if I've taken on someone else's stress or symptoms, I place my hand over my belly and send loving kindness. This dissolves any discomfort. What is your most sensitive point? Is it your neck? Do you get bladder infections or migraines? Send these areas loving kindness to clear away toxic energy that gets lodged there. Sometimes it's easier to focus on the well-being of someone else instead of yourself, which also serves to open your heart. Do this if you're having a hard time meditating on yourself. Think of a loved one. Imagine them sitting in front of you or beside you, and send them some love from your heart to theirs. And now, whenever you're ready, slowly opening your eyes and bringing your attention back to the room. And remembering to return to this meditation anytime you need a burst of loving kindness.